Hi guys, welcome back to Solidity Basics. In this section, we'll cover transient storage. So, transient storage is another form of storage besides storage, memory, and call data. The only difference between memory and transient storage is that the memory data is cleared up after the function call, and the transient storage data is cleared up after the transaction ends. So, transient storage can persist between function calls as well. Now, this is slightly advanced stuff because we use assembly to store data at a lower level, and this is not really in the scope of basic. So, I'll just leave you with that overview. If you want to read more about it, you can check out this amazing article by HackerNoon and you'll have a better understanding of what transient storage is all about. It has been introduced recently only via an EIP 1153. So do check it out if you want to know more. But again, this is slightly advanced stuff. I'll definitely be covering it in later part of this series, but for now I'll just leave you guys with the overview and I'll see you in the next video.